Creative and fun learning. Adventure badge maker, paper pin order. In the bustling city of Learnville, where creativity was cherished, there stood a quaint school on Fridays, a haven for imaginative souls. On this particular Friday, the children gathered in room 7B, anticipating their weekly dose of creative and fun learning. With a twinkle in her eye, Miss Clara explained the project. It was time to create their very own adventure badge using paper pins. The room buzzed with excitement as students wondered what adventures awaited them. The students split into small groups, each eager to create the most exciting adventure possible. They discussed ideas, drew designs, and dreamt of journeys yet to be embarked upon. The supplies were placed on tables: paper pins, glue, scissors, and an array of colorful markers. The students diligently set to work, transforming their ideas into reality. The room was abuzz as students added color to their creations using markers and glue. Their badges took shape. Some featured mountains, others depicted oceans. Still, others showcased magical castles in the sky. Each design was unique, a testament to each student's creativity. Once the badges were completed, it was time for each student to share their creation with the class. They proudly stood before their peers, explaining the story behind their design and the adventure they hoped to embark on. With all badges created and shared, Miss Clara declared it was time for their real-life adventures to commence. The students cheered, eager to embark on journeys inspired by their very own creations. Armed with their adventure badges, snacks, and other essential supplies, the students ventured forth from room 7B. They embarked on their adventures, eager to discover what awaited them in their own little worlds. After a day of adventure, the students returned, their faces flushed with excitement and eyes filled with wonder. They eagerly shared stories of their escapades, of the challenges they faced, and of the friendships forged along the way. With memories etched in their hearts and badges proudly displayed on the classroom wall, the students gathered together one last time to reflect upon their adventures. With a final smile and giggle, the students posed for a group photograph before dispersing, their laughter echoing through the halls of Learnville School. The Adventure Badge Maker, Paper Pins project had brought a sense of unity to the classroom. Through their creations, the students learned valuable lessons in collaboration, problem-solving, and perseverance. They discovered that friendship could blossom in the most unexpected places, and memories were created when they stepped out of their comfort zones.